the crypto nest. All right, so someone asked me if I do Toshi, so here we are. So Toshi, we had well, for sure this is a diagonal. Let me take my brush here. So A, B, C. For the wave 1 we had a pullback, and I believe now, yeah, we finished this ABC. For this third wave we did reach almost the 2x, and now we are into this pullback level. I think now I can move a little bit this fourth wave level here on the right side. I can also make it in green, so we know that this is the level of the fourth wave. I could possibly, well, we can see that the 0.382 0.00066,782 reacted a little bit on the price action. Now we are back there at that level. If I do some micro counting, yeah, I'm not sure, maybe this is just the A, B, C, or this is the A, the B, and the C. Now the question is, though, the dilemma is this it? Or you know, this is just the A, this is the B, this is the C, and now we're done. And this is the fourth wave. Or all this is the A, we are going to do a B, and after that we're going to go lower. Once again, we have the MA200 that eventually is going to go and maybe perhaps rejoin the 0.618, depending on how long this correction is going to take. If I do, I just want to make and draw a resistance level. How do we do that? Let me put that in, actually no, let me take the B. Yeah, I need to remove the presettings with the 1.618. That's really annoying. All right, so this is the level of a possible B wave, and I can count. No, I always prepare for I don't want to say the worst, but more bearish count, right? So if this is the A, resistance level is going to be here. Actually, if I put the 0.382, because sometimes we do have a very mild reaction. Okay, so it kind of reacted already on the 0.382. If I do a trend line here, we can clearly see that I think it did break out from this trend line. Okay, so here we had 1, 2, 3, and several touching points here. So this was a strong trend, right? Now we broke it. So this is why I lean on the scenario that this is the A working on a B and eventually going on the C. But in case I'm wrong, we need to check for these levels here. If it goes higher than under 25, 816, which is kind of almost 100% of where we are from the current price. If it goes higher, then probabilities start to be higher that we're going to go higher, and that we're done with this fourth wave. Once again, we need to see the structure. If the price goes up to here and after that it gets rejected, then we're talking. Anyway, if price starts to go higher, then we can do some micro counting and determine if this is the A and this is the B, where should end up for the C. For the moment, too early. We don't see this reversal of price. So if we start to make a higher high compared to this one, then we can say, okay, this was a mini A, this is a mini B, let's calculate the C. All right, so this is pretty much all for Toshi. I don't know if I want to do a few others since we are here. Well, Brett, once again, it's well, this is a dead cross when the MA 50 go below the MA 200. Let me zoom out. So we had possible 5-way up for a bigger wave 1. didn't want to do that, and we are at the 0.618. This is the golden area for the wave 2, and we are just going on the side. So this could be a nice accumulation level or entry level. You know, less risky would be even lower at 30,000, because if we go substantially lower on this level, then we're going to invalidate the whole count. So the risk for the moment, the risk is, I would say, up to here, but potential gain, just to go back where we were, it's this, and possibly even way more if we materialize to this third wave. So once again, third wave here, you can see that I need to adjust a little bit. So this, see, I did that when I wasn't even, the fifth wave wasn't even finished. Man, I'm having trouble today. Actually, let me move it here. And 1, 2, and this is the third one. So you can see now, because the wave 2 went lower, everybody shift lower, and that's normal. So the levels that I'm looking now, it's pretty much ideally $1.57. I know that's crazy, right? That's 4 cents. So let's see how it goes. Once again, this is very speculative meme coin. Pepe. So it's working on potential on this fifth wave. Was this a diagonal? Because it would be really help. Yes, it is. Thanks God. Otherwise, it wouldn't look very good. So this is an A, B, C. Oh man, this is a very long time. I didn't do any chart on that one. You can see that it's very messy. So let me remove a little bit of things here. And I'm actually wanna recycle this one here. And I'm going to say that this was the A. This, I don't need it anymore. This is the A, this is the B, this is the C. And if I do some micro counting now, this is the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5, eventually, to eventually complete this fifth wave. Actually, I can leave that, but I want to change the color. And I think it's not, shouldn't be confusing. Okay, so now I want to remove this level so that it's easier. And now I want to calculate the wave 2 here. Looks like it's going to be a deep one. Prematurely clipped. Alright, so taking the fib setting for the wave 2 actually reacted perfectly to the 0.786. This is amazing. And so now we are here. So waiting for this third wave. Third wave, once again, is going to be an ABC. So something like A, B, and explosive C for this, let's say, third wave, and after that a fourth and a fifth. All right, so this is what I'm looking for. So we need to see if price managed to break out from this downtrend. Also, I could do, actually, let me recycle this trend here. Yeah, it's been very long time I didn't do any update on Pepe. Short term, I think we're already kind of good, did we? Because we are about to break out from this downtrend, I believe. You can see that now we're using this trend as a support. be strong enough, have enough momentum to reverse the trend and go higher. So let's also mention or notice that this is a very, very important resistance level, because we are going to have the MA 200 and the MA 50. So price will have to challenge almost both at the same time. Is there something else? Let me go Shib. Shib, man, very long time I didn't do any review on Shib. So we're still working on yeah, we're doing A, B, C. I don't think we completed yet. And well, this one is also one that been a while. I didn't work on it. Actually, that one I could have left it. So until we don't break this trend, I have nothing really to say that, you know, something more bullish is happening. I am expecting still a little bit a lower price here. We did reach the 0.766. Ideally, we could even go to 781 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, I believe. 1, 2, 3. No, is it 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Yeah, makes sense, because 700 it's less than 1,000, and now it's 1,605. So yeah, that's so Brett, I did it. Yeah, that let me do Mug. I know Mug, it's kind of a popular one. So we have wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Actually, here we almost have a potential 5-wave up. So we could maybe even expect a bigger pullback here. I'm going to work out more on this chart, because now it's a little bit last minute. Just to have an idea though, this could be just the A. We're going to have the B and make a deeper pullback. Be careful with that one. Let me see here. Yeah, because I can count this as A, this is a B, and a C. C, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 works out. And then here we add in potential A, B, C. And then here we have an A, B, C for the A overshooting with B, C for the B. And then this is a very messy one. Actually, maybe we are not done, because this C wave, it's a little bit disappointing. What if the first wave is done and let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to check more this one. Could it be that this is just an A, B, C for a bigger A, and now this is the B, and go higher? Anyway, I'm going to work on this chart and let you know. Don't wanna say stuff just like that, because clearly this is very messy price action, so I don't wanna direct you in the wrong direction. Alright, so this is pretty much all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and go check out our Discord channel, and have a good day.